Hello everyone. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Two cards, that's why I'm not taking. Aries, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you? What's going on? Aries. Judgment under the deck. The Lovers. I think you are going to be make some major decision regarding your love life, especially. There is some judgment, some major decision making in the month of March you are going to be make. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, especially, or Scorpio or Pisces. Three signs especially. So let's see our reading. Recent past, 9 of Wands, 6 of Wands and 10 of Cups. In recent past, you are getting success for your hard work. 6 of Wands, success in career especially. But I think in relationship, you want this happiness with your person, 10 of Cups, but it was not happened. It is not happening right now. That's why you are guarded up. Maybe you are thinking about them or about the relationship a lot. Even though you are guarded up. But you are getting success in your career. Maybe material success it is. Then present, the world, death and 5 of swords. So there is some transformation you are going through right now, Aries. And for some it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And there are some misunderstandings between you and your person. For some there are arguments, 5 of swords energy. For some your person cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there is something going between you and your person right now. And there for some it could be type of ending. Maybe you both are in no contact situation for some. For some, even though you're talking with each other, this is on and off connection. Because Scorpio, the death card is here with 5 of swords. There is some cycles also ending between you and your person. And future, 10 of swords, the moon and the hangman. I think you are confused. You don't know which decision you have to make. That's why the decision in near future, judgment is there. In near future you will make decision, but right now you are in some confusion state. Something mysterious in this connection. Maybe you post about your person, something is mysterious. The moon, lot of illusions between you and your person. And the hangman, yeah, you are stuck on them. Yeah, even though you are spiritually awakening, but you are feeling stuck. And 10 of swords, I think you are fed up with this energy. Even though you want to, there is ending between you and your person, still you want rebirth. Still one part of you still want rebirth in this connection, still have hopes on this connection. But I think for some there is no contact situation, for some there is ending also. Not all, but there are a lot of things going, hiding. Maybe your person hiding something from you. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, Scorpio, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Aries. Your person feelings towards you. Two cards. I'm not taking because 2 cards. Your person feelings towards you, Aries. Five of Swords again. 3 of Cups, Justice, and 5 of Swords and King of Swords. I think your person maybe in past being cold with you. Maybe they're not talking to you with, I think, harsh communication between both of you in past, maybe lying, cheating, whatever. But now they want to give clarity and they want to be honest with you, King of Swords. And 3 of Cups with Justice, they want second chances. For some, your legal matters are going to be resolved in near future because Judgment with Justice card. So 3 of Cups with Justice, definitely they are thinking about second chances with you. They want to start again with you. So let's see, but still there are some lot of things to be resolved between both of you. 5 of Swords energies here. So let's see their actions towards you, Aries. Your person actions towards you. Wow. I think you both are soulmates. Mutual love between both of you. The Sun. You are their happiness. You are their sunshine. And 2 of Cups is here. Definitely there is mutual love. And your person may be realizing you both once you separated. Maybe once you are in no contact situation. I think they want you back. And the Sun, you are the Sun with 2 of Cups. They want reconciliation and they want second chances with you, Aries. And Queen of Wands, your person could be fire sign. They are also very attractive and grounded person. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Justice, Libra. And maybe the person involved in this connection could be. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. The Moon. Yeah. I think Wheel of Fortune, Divine Timing. There are a lot of things. Maybe illusions between both of you. Yeah, they're feeling alone. Right now, 5 of Pentacles with the Moon. Maybe they're manifesting you. They're feeling alone. But you stand by your power. You are very grounded. For some, you also have so much love for this person. For some, you started loving yourself because Queen of Wands with Ace of Cups. You are concentrating on yourself. You are investing energy on yourself. And under the deck, 9 of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. I think they are wishing for this connection. I think they hurt you in past. Now they're wanting you back. Yeah. There is a chance for new beginning between both of you, reconciliation. Yeah, they're coming back for second chances. And for some, you also give second chance to them. Because Ace of Wands with 3 of Cups, there is a lot of passion between both of you. There is a lot of passion. Yeah, reconciliation is coming. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Page of Pentacles, communication, apology is coming. One person is immature in this connection. So Aries, let's see your overall energy for the week. 6 of Cups. Yeah, reconciliation is coming. They're thinking about you a lot. In meanwhile, you are concentrating on your work. Financial stability, abundance is coming towards you. And they're very passionate about you. They're coming towards you. And the Star, yeah. I think you also have so much hopes on this connection. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Aries. Six of Cups, reconciliation. 100% there will be reconciliation. You both are on the same page. Magician, they're manifesting you. And the Empress and 7 of Wands, they won't give up on you. They will manifest you. They're coming back for second chances. Wow. Straightforward messages. So let's see some messages from your person and from channel end. Aries, your person messages. What they are feeling. I want you back. Yeah. I realized my mistake. Second chance, lot of abundance is coming. Wow. Second chance, I already told you second chances are coming, and please wait for me. Definitely, I am afraid to tell you how I feel. So they realize their mistake, they're coming back. So second chances, reconciliation is coming. Very, very strong message and straightforward message. Maybe for some it take maybe March month you will reconcile. For some it will take some time depending upon your situation, because this is general. Every situation is varies from other situation, another person, because this is general. That's why it will take some time, person to person, different time. Show the world the real you. So if you have any true feelings or true emotions but you are holding, but you are hiding from your person, this is the message. Show the world to the real you. So show the real you to the world, and don't wear mask. Express your emotions and express your feelings to your person. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.